Hey, this is Financial Tips. If you enjoy and got any type of help, please like and subscribe. Enjoy. Dropshipping is a business model in which an online retailer does not keep the products they sell in stock. Instead, they purchase the products from a third-party supplier and have them shipped directly to the customer. This model has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its low startup costs and ease of entry. One of the biggest advantages of dropshipping is that it eliminates the need for a retailer to purchase and store inventory. This means that the retailer does not have to invest a large amount of money upfront to purchase products, nor do they have to worry about the cost of storing and managing inventory. Instead, they can focus on marketing and selling products to customers. Another benefit of dropshipping is the flexibility it provides. Since the retailer is not tied to any specific inventory, they can easily add or remove products from their website based on demand. This allows them to quickly adapt to changing trends and customer preferences, which can be a huge advantage in today's fast-paced market. However, dropshipping does have its drawbacks. One of the biggest challenges is that the retailer has no control over the quality of the products they sell. If a supplier ships a defective product or fails to deliver it on time, the retailer is the one who ultimately bears the responsibility. Another potential issue with dropshipping is that it can be difficult to differentiate oneself from the competition. Since anyone can start a dropshipping business with relatively low startup costs, there can be a lot of competition in any given niche. Make sure to like and subscribe if you got to the end of the video. I am going to do daily tips, so hit the bell for me. Thank you for watching.